Hey, I'm Tony Anzer, your Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana real estate agent. We're here in the Logan Square neighborhood of Chicago at my newest listing, 3424 West Schubert Avenue in Chicago. Let's head inside and start this tour. All right, so on the main level, we have a family room. We've got 3 bedrooms and a kitchen dining room. So all right, let's check it out. So here we're gonna take a look at the family room. This home and the area in general has so much to offer. This house has a total of 7 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. The lower level is basically a complete related living or additional home in the basement. Just a few doors down is the park, and the blue line is about a 5-minute walk away. All right, right off to the right here is the first bedroom. We're gonna check out this bedroom. Again, in the basement, there's 2 bedrooms plus the third area that could be like an office or a den that has a kitchenette and its own family living room down there. The main level has 3 bedrooms, the family room, a living room, and a kitchen dining room. And the upstairs has an additional 2 bedrooms and a full bath. All right, then headed right off to the left here is the second bedroom. The area itself is in the heart of the Logan Square. Let's take a look at the bathroom. All right, then we'll head into, we'll walk past the bedroom, we'll come back to that one in a second. We're going to check out the kitchen dining room. All right, here we'll see that door in the background. That one goes to the basement, and then this one heads upstairs, and we'll check that out in just a minute. Before we go upstairs, we're gonna check out this other bedroom right here. So this is the third bedroom on the main level. All right, and then before we head upstairs, I'm gonna walk through the kitchen so you can see the flow. All right, now we're gonna head upstairs. And in the upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So we'll check out, this is the first bedroom that you walk into. It's right up the stairs. Here we've got hardwood floors. The whole upstairs is hardwood floors. You got 2 bedrooms in this, 2 beds in this first bedroom area. Into the bathroom. This is a full bathroom upstairs. All right, doing a walk through the first level, or the top level, to get downstairs. All right, so that shows the second level. So we're gonna pick it up on the basement level, and the basement level has 2 bedrooms, and it could be a third bedroom and another kitchenette down there. So you could have related living or other options. We'll go pick that up. Yeah, we're here in the basement, so we have a utility area that we'll show, and then through this door is the couple bedrooms, could be a third bedroom too. So see washer, dryer, utilities, and then this It's like a whole nother house down here. So we got they're using for storage and shoes and this first room. And then as we continue on, to our left is a bathroom. And this is another full bathroom. So this home has 3 full bathrooms. All right, to our right is going to be a bedroom. Opens up to this kitchenette. You see we got the kitchenette behind me, and then we got a living space here. And the square footage is pretty good here too. So we got the kitchenette, we got stove, sink, microwave, cutting board, all that good stuff. Got another bedroom there, and then a sitting living room area. The neighborhood park is like right down the street. So just so you can see how close it is, I'm just gonna walk there. We're like 4 houses away. So again, there's 3424 West Schubert. This new great listing in Logan Square. And so at the end of the block here, you see they're on a dead end block. We walk right over here to Unity Park, which is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the house. I think I walked here in about 30 seconds. And we can see here that this park has got big open areas. It's got a splash park. It's got a play center over here. So you can bring your dog here and the dog's gonna hang out. You can see here that's, nice open areas for if you wanna have picnics, things of that sort. We've got some Foursquare set up over here. Got some hopscotch right here. Yeah, you can see right behind us is the splash pad. So we got the cool splash pad you can see here. We've got a nice sitting area. If you are meeting other parents and you want to let your kids play, you got a nice spot to hang out. Other kids come over here. We got the climbing nets. Got some swings, tire swing here. Got a play set here, those littler guys. And then for the little older kids, you got the larger play set here. So yeah, really cool park right down the street. So now I'm on the other end of the park. We were just over there. So now we're gonna walk and check out this side of the park. We've got some more open space. We've got bathrooms here. I hope you enjoyed this home tour as much as I did. This is a great area and this house just has so much to offer. I'm gonna put my contact information on the screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you want to see more information or anything else, also in the description below, you'll see the list price, you'll see additional information, the MLS number. Yeah, so feel free to reach out directly, or if you have another agent that you want to get in contact with me, you can see that contact information below. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around town.